Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Hashtable class with any class objects in Java Collections Framework. Any class objects means student class objects or employee class objects in Java Collections Framework of Hashtable class. So first of all, we'll understand what is collections framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects, and this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework of java.util package, we have collection interface, which is a top level or base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So here under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. So here, list, set, queue are sub-interfaces for collection interface. But map collection, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to some technical points, so collections framework. So collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. So if we add any primitive data type value, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. So hence in collections, every data is stored as object itself. To be more precise, it will be stored as object class, object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of hash table class with any class objects. So here we are going to put student class objects into hash table. So first of all, hash table class is available in java.util package, and this class, it is inherited from map interface and a dictionary abstract class. So coming to the map interface is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So if you see the description of the hash table class, so open the command prompt and issue this command java p-p java.util.hashtable. So hash table class is inherited from dictionary class, and dictionary is an abstract class, and it is inherited from map interface. And hash table class is clonable, serializable, inherited interfaces, and its methods are synchronized. So it is a legacy class. So what is this legacy class? So legacy class means a class which is clonable, serializable, and methods are synchronized is known as legacy class. So it can participate in multi-threaded application, serialization and deserialization, and we can create a duplicate hash table using clone method. So now coming to some technical points related to the hash table class. So hash table class is a collection of objects storing data in the form of key value pairs. For example, key 1 value 1, comma key 2 value 2, comma key 3 value 3, so on, where every key is mapped or referred by a value. So here all keys are unique and values can be duplicated. Its default initial capacity is 11 and the default load factor is 0.75, which is 3 by 4. So load factor decides the capacity of the hash table. For example, current capacity into 3 by 4, which is equals to 8. So when we add 8th object, automatically the capacity will become double. 11 plus 11, 22. So 22 into 3 by 4, when we add that particular nth object, automatically it will become double. And in hash table, we don't have indexes. In hash table, order of objects is not preserved. Hash table does not accept null key or null value. If you try to put any null key or null value, we will get a null pointer exception. And internally, hash table is represented by a data structure known as hash table. And coming to the constructors and methods, so if you see the description of hash table class, right, so we are going to use this constructor, default constructor with initial capacity of 11 and load factor 0.75. And then we are going to use put key comma value to add key value objects into the hash table collection. And then we are going to access keys and elements using key set method, which returns set of keys as return type, and values method, which returns collection of values as return type. Right. So now in this hash table, we are going to add objects, student class objects. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Hash table class example 8.java. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to demo hash table class with student class objects. Next, import java.util package and let us define a student class in our program. So in this student class, we are taking 3 data members. First one, roll number. Second one, name. And third one, height. So these data members, roll number, name, height, are initialized in the parameterized constructor with the 3 parameters r, n, h. R is initialized to roll number, n is initialized to name, and h is initialized to height. And we are taking one more method, display method. In display method, we are printing roll number, name, height of a particular student with tab spaces. So let us get back to main class with main method. So class hashtable class example 8, save it as .java with extension in our working directory, and program execution starts with main method. So let us create an object of hash table class. ht is equals to new hash table, and then we are creating 3 student objects. S1 1001 Sai 6.0f, S2 1002 Ram 5.9f, S3 1003 Ali 5.6f. And we are putting these 3 objects as values in hash table object. Example, hash table dot put serial number 1 S1 object. So key is integer and value is student object. Similarly, second one 2 S2 object, third one 3 S3 object. And then we are printing the hash table. So we'll execute till here. Right. So save the program. Come to the command prompt. Compile the program. So Java C hash table class example 8.java. Compile it and run it. Fine. So order is not preserved in hash table. So we got 3 student 3 object reference variable, 2 student 2 object reference code. Yeah, it is object reference code or hash code, not variable. And 1 value is student 1 object reference code or hash code. Now let us try to access this keys and values using first one, key set method. So first we'll take the key set method. Right. So on hash table, we are calling the key set method. It will return set of keys. So store that in a reference variable htset, And on ht set of keys, we are applying iterator method whose return type is iterator cursor ii. And using iterator cursor, we are checking ii.hasNext whether we have the next key. If it is true, come inside and access that key. ii.hasNext, convert that into integer and store that in x. And similarly, for that particular key, we are also getting the value. Hashtable dot get of x. X is a key. It will return a student object as value. So convert that into student object and store that in reference variable ss of type student class. And then finally print x with an arrow mark and ss.display. So ss contains the reference to the student object which is stored as a value in hash table collection. Right, so this is followed for second object and third object. So save this, recompile and run. So if you see here, 3 ss.display. So third student display method 1003 Ali 5.6. Similarly, second object and then 1 first object. So 3, 2, 1. Order is not preserved here. So similarly, we can access the values also directly using values method. Right, so on hash table, we are applying values method whose return type is collection of values. So we are taking a reference for that ht values. And on ht values, we are applying again iterator method, which will access all the values linearly from first to last using iterator cursor. So that iterator cursor, we are taking it as ii. So we are reusing the same iterator cursor ii. So now, while ii.hasNext check for the existence of next value and then access that next value from the hash table collection, convert that into student and then store it in a reference variable ss of type student class and then display that particular student data, roll number, name, height. So save this, command prompt, recompile and run. Now here we'll get only the values. So ss.display third object 1003, display 1002, display 1001. So this is how we are supposed to work with hash table class with objects in Java collections framework. So here we have taken student class objects as values in hash table collection. So that is what is all about hash table class with class objects in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.